allied nations in Latin America, throughout Africa, throughout the region here in the Middle East, by pursuing a policy of resistance and of global South solidarity. This is a departure from the years that Iran has been in trying to negotiate with Europe and with the U.S. Via the JCPOA. That marked kind of the diplomatic trajectory of the previous administration, but this was a turn towards the resistance economy, the policy of the global South, South-South cooperation. In Raisi's term, Iran joined BRICS. So this administration of Ibrahim Raisi was an inspiration not only to the nation, but also to the whole global South and whole world. That showed the world that Iran did not have to be isolated at all from the world just because of the whims of the U.S. Or the whims of the Zionist entity or the whims of the top European EU leadership. The successes that came out of his administration were a testament to this, and the testament to this paradigm of self-reliance.
Not going to find even some of their Western allies willing to support them on that, and they will tell them that, and they did in so many occasions, that we don't want to have a conflict with Iran. That just shows the distance that Iran have marched from 1978 until...
Let me jump in real quick. I'm sorry to, and I apologize for this, because we're looking at the, I believe, the caskets that are being now brought to the scene of what we're looking at live from Tabriz, and I believe that's the case. There are a number of them, obviously, because of the fact that they're, aside from the late Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi and the foreign minister, there were others on board that tragic helicopter crash. But here we are. This is the first sighting and the first experience of the Iranian nation and the world to see the caskets which carry not only the late President Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi, but also the foreign minister and the others that were on board that helicopter crash, of which now the crowd momentarily will be seeing that. And this is very difficult to experience. This is the shock of it still has not worn down, and this is actually going through the streets, I guess, leading up to where the crowd is. So they will be seeing that. But to see this and to experience this after we've had the grand presence of these two figures who were in office and were very active, to say the least, in the positions that they were serving